Look at my life, man, that's lessons on lessons on lessons. I treat the beat like it's a reverend. I tell the truth like, Father, forgive me, these are all my confessions. Man, this wasn't luck, it was destined. I done lost homies who been with me since Ed ain't know me. That shit can get petty. Stop getting them daps to me, nigga. Funny thing about talking behind my back is that it just keep coming back to me, nigga. Was on for a sec, now it's back to me, nigga. You mad at me, this ain't fine, man, this is what it had to be. This is that like, this is my conversation.
Still playing?
Yeah.
All right.
Look. I feel blessed. I feel blessed. Straight. Look. I live a life I just blessed. Fuck a vacay, I feel better. I mean whatever it's worth, I give whatever I'm worth. My niggas who gon' go to hell and back for me, I'ma give them heaven on earth for a hell of a check, yeah, whichever come first. With me since Ed and petty, bitch, don't get no dap to me, nigga. Funny thing about talking behind my back is that it just keep coming back to me, nigga. Was off for a sec, now it's back to